up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, here on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on those platforms, and don't forget to hit the like button on this video and to subscribe if you are new here. If you are my goodies and baddies, because as you can see, we're doing baddies and budgets saving challenges today. Make sure you comment down below, give me some hearts, give me some love, you guys, because we are doing it, okay? So you are seeing this video today, and we are doing our 100. We're gonna stuff some envelopes and go through her saving challenge book. So let me put these to the side, getting right into it. So these are the two that we are stuffing today. Put that to the side. So we have a 10. I hope you guys are having a great day, a great week. Let's put this in there. We're doing a 10, 11. I'm gonna put these back in here. Okay, so go. We have 6 and 7, so we have a 5. And we're almost done with this envelope. With her 20 envelope challenge. And I said this is going to my travel binder. So we're almost done with this, you guys. I'm so excited. And I can't wait to do the 20 envelope unstuffing. So I feel like we really have been making headway on this 20 envelope challenge. It is like really nice. Like you can even use this to like save up to get you something nice. Because my whole thing with this 20 envelope challenge is that you can use it over and over again. So once we're done with this, then we start over and we save up again. And I've been doing so good. I feel really accomplished because I got so many of the envelopes done. Like, look at that. Like, we're almost done. Okay. Now we have the Build-A-Bag Savings Planner. And we did 6 and 7, so we can color this in. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more envelopes to go, and then we'll actually complete this challenge, which I'm gonna be so excited. So for the healthcare challenge, let's put this side. Healthcare, what should we do? We should do, because that'll be my last 10. Let's do a 5. We could do 2 5s. And then 5 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm gonna drop some in. Right, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 15. So this is the healthcare challenge. And let's color this stuff in. So we did 2 5s. So we're gonna color in the pill. And then we did 5 1s. So we're and then let's see what we got in the next one. We have If Boy Tears. Like there's some 4s in here. Let's see, we got 5 and 10. Let's see what we should do. There's 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put 8. So we're gonna color in 2 of the $4 boxes. So I think I saw 2. Here's 1. And I think I saw another 4 over here. There's a 4 right here. We put $8, so there's 9 in there. Big Bank Baddie, I still haven't figured out what I want to do for this challenge, but we will save it for later. Self-care. Let's see. We have 1 5. And we got 1. And then 2. Five, 6, 7, 8. So this is, yep, Fry Guys. Make It Rain, which I saved my $2 bills for. I know we only have a couple. Okay. Got 2, 4, 6, 8. Just trying different colors. Okay. $8, 10. High maintenance. I think there was like $1 that I could probably put in there. Let me see. Yeah, I think there was one. Yeah, $1 bill. So we're just gonna put $1 in there for now. We got $1. And let's see what we got. We got the Blow Me. How many other challenges do we got? Yeah, we got Mean Tart, Baddies. Okay, so we're just going, and then in the next video, whenever we get paid, the next time we will finish stuffing the Baddies and Budgets. So Blow Me will get, let's see, how much do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. $39. Oh yeah, let me color one in. Okay, Baddie but Saddy. One is $10. What is it? What's the music? Okay. 10. It's 30. Okay, now we got no Mean Tart today, because we actually used all our 1s, and we used all our 5s and our 2s. Do have the $10 challenge that I haven't started. And we could do the Creme de la Creme. I think we just did was like, since we already stuffed our emergency fund, I'm still reading a book, so we can do the $20 and creme de la creme. Creme de la creme. Okay, so we're gonna do 20. So we'll just, the next time we will come back and we'll cash stuff the ones that we didn't do before. I'll just, there we go. Which I feel like we did really good. Alrighty. So that's it for B&B. B&B saving challenges. And stay tuned. Hopefully we'll be back with some more material. So we'll do my debt confession, my top 5 saving funds. I think I've already done a video on my top 5 sinking funds, and we'll just think of more content. Comment down below if there's more content that you would like to see and what other things that you would like to see too. So just let me know. And we are still going strong on the March Madness. We are trying. So all right, don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell down below, and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Yeah.